Greetings everyone, John Kielec here. I am the admin of the DailyNetPay, and this is a video update for the DailyNetPay and its private trade shares. What do I do with those private trade shares? Well, I trade to earn. Now, what I'm doing with these trades, I'm willing to allow you to purchase these private trade shares in form of DailyNetPay advertising shares, and I share my trade profits without you doing any trades or any risk. You even get to view my real life trading results when I am in our trading room. You can earn up to 0.5% daily, sometimes it's more, and you can earn that without advertising, sponsoring, totally passive income, which we have members currently earning anywhere from about $280 plus to well over $600 plus monthly passive income that is paid on a weekly basis. So you're going to hear what kind of results we had for from Monday, September 9th to September 13th, which is today, Friday. So let's go right to the charts before we get into the results. So you can see these are the 6 markets that I trade, that I watch. My main market is Canadian dollar, and we're going to go in here. All right, Canadian dollar against, well, actually USD Canadian dollar. Because I'm Canadian and I like to see if our Canadian dollar is going up or down against American dollar. So we had some trades in here, and it was this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, these are the trades. The first one on here, we had lost this one. It was a small loss in here. Went for prices up. Actually, prices reversed. Went the other way. We got stopped out. But in here, we had several trades that were up. It was a nice uptrend from here. It was a smooth sailing all the way up. I should have just kept the profits up, but anyways, we took trade here, we took a few trades in here, I think, and trades in here, and so from here to here, actually by doing this way, we got a little bit more. Okay, so that was one of the markets. Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin is another one. We have some open trades right now. We just have several Bitcoin, but I'm going to have information in here because Bitcoin, this is another Bitcoin chart. This is what I see more. You can see there's a trade in here, there's a trade in here, there's a trade in here. We have these 3 trades which are open currently with Bitcoin. This one up here is actually in profit because you can see that we got a trade in here, one trade for prices go down, another trade for prices go down. I followed this trend, got way up, and looked like this was going down. And all of a sudden the market turned against us. We were in profits, but to take profit, my take profit was somewhere down here. It didn't get hit. So we were kind of losing this, but we're still open. It still didn't hit our stop loss. Our stop loss is on top of here. Okay, this is the stop loss right here. So we came pretty close, just above this triangle. It's forming a triangle, right? Descending triangle right now. And you can see that it was going up, but it didn't break up there. It broke to the downside. So I'm very sure it's going to probably test lows or the support around, I would believe, around 10,030 or something like that, because this is a major support right around here. So we will get in profit. Like I say, this one's already in profit. All right. This is something that I am watching. I usually have several different charts when I do the trades. Okay. One thing I want to tell you about Bitcoin. Well, as you know, okay, Bitcoin BitMEX, and there's update. If you want to know more about it, you go to our news site, okay, the news site, DailyNetPay news site, and you scroll down to, there's a bunch of information, banner ads or display ads. When you click, it provides these details, but to the updates, you have to scroll down a bit, and it'll say in your BitMEX, no longer will be trading Bitcoin with that broker. And there's other information, but there's another video in here, you'll know about it. But basically, I will no longer use BitMEX broker to trade Bitcoin. There are several concerns, and recently some issues became a top concern for a U.S. account. Actually, BitMEX is kind of banned to be used by USA traders. I am Canadian, trading from Canada, where my province is Ontario. BitMEX is allowed, but there are Canadian restrictions to use BitMEX and is not allowed in all Canadian provinces. So to be on the safe side, I am transferring our funds from BitMEX to FX Choice, where I can trade Bitcoin and with a lot lower transaction fees. All right, so this is what I'm showing in here. You can see our account right in here. And if we had like almost half a Bitcoin in there, I never had a lot of money in the BitMEX to begin with. But anyways, we had one trade in here. We took it over here, and trade profit was $581.26, and I closed. Actually, I didn't close the account. I'm still going to have what is a 1,000th of a Bitcoin. I don't know. It's like 25 cents or 50 cents, whatever. I don't know. But anyways, just in case. But we're not going to use this account. Okay, so actually the money's being transferred in transition right now to our FX Choice. And FX Choice broker, we can use. They do trade Bitcoin in there. So starting as of Monday, September 16, we will trade only with two brokers, Owanda and FX Choice. And it's going to be a little bit easier on me to keep track of this and, and this. What we want to use is a trading broker who's licensed and possibly North America regulated, as this will protect our money in case something would happen to that broker. Like brokers go out of business. Some brokers take up with the money. So when they're regulated and licensed, what they cannot really do because the government keeps a close eye on them. So Owanda and FX Choice are great, okay, safe brokers. All right. Okay, so let's go to the charts again. Another market that I traded during this week is Euro against USD, and you can see we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We have successful trades in here. Looks like no losses in here, so that's good. And British pound against Japanese, no trades in here. British pound against New Zealand dollar, no trades. Another trade was British pound against USD. And again, okay, in here we had a one loss. We went for prices down, the prices went up, but when they got up there, well, we went for prices down, and I kind of just played the market. When I got my signals, I played that way, and we did pretty good. Okay, so how did we do? Well, this is our stats. These are the results, once again, from Monday, September 9th to September 13th. Our week's profit was 7.98. We actually doubled that, while you get up to 0.5% on a weekly basis, which works out about 3.5% a week. We have actually more than doubled that this week. So didn't beat the record or anything like that, but we had pretty good trades, especially if you go in here and in our update site. Okay, you play that video, you'll see, look at this market. There was a nice, this was Canadian dollar, USD Canadian dollar, the market just kept going up. $1,000 day. Boom. Ha! Love trades like that. Okay, so So that was, so total we have 7.98%. All right, and Owanda, we had 5 wins. There was 1 loss, which you've seen that, and we have 1 open trade. And that open trade is with Euro USD, and actually, this is a Wanda trade. We got in here for prices down, but the prices went up. Now the prices are going to go down. So we're pretty close. We're not losing much, but I believe the prices will reach that moving average down here closer to the Bollinger Band at the bottom, and you can see in here. Okay, so we should be in profit, possibly Monday or Tuesday in here. Okay, so all right, FX choice, we had 7 wins, 1 loss. Okay. And open trades, we have 4. All right, these are the open trades. You can see the Bitcoin, and I'm trading Bitcoin already with FX Choice. This trade for prices down, okay, there was a sell, sell, sell. That's lot sizes, and we went for prices down. This one, the price has, the Forex market is closed now because it's way after 5. It's actually after 7 p.m. on Friday. So we are in profit with this one, and we have 2 more in here. So we need this price to break down below to get these 2 in profit. I am hedging these trades, all right, so we're going to keep this one. If that our sell breaks this, we've got to be nice profits in here. Another one is British pound against US dollar. We were in profit in here. All right, our profit is set, take profit is somewhere over here, but the prices start going up. And, once again, this is pretty high price, so it's got to come down. And I believe next week, Monday, Tuesday, it's going to come down to that. So that's the open trades with we have 4. And BitMEX, like I showed you, all right, BitMEX, we had that 1, and that was it. I was waiting to take the profit and get out of here, and that was it. So there was no more, there was no loss, there was no open trade. So total for the week, we had 13 wins, we had 2 losses, and 5 trades are open. So starting next week, as of next Monday, no more. Actually, I'm not using BitMEX anymore because as of Wednesday, Thursday, I transferred the money, so no more BitMEX. So in the future results, BitMEX will not be here. It'll be Owanda and FX Choice. And that's the way it was when we started to trade at the beginning of this year. All right, other news. Well, let's go to this DNP news. All right, there's what I want to tell you, this is DNP side, so you should, all DailyNetPay members should bookmark this, dailynetpay.com/dnp.news.html. See this, and you should come here often. You can watch many of this information in there, but this is where the updates. All right, huge advertising test for DNP autoresponder link to be part of it. All right, this is this is something for you to do, and you can read all about it. The fall peak advertising season has begun, and this is something you really want to watch this because I put out update in there, all of these, and there's you want to be part of it, well, get to that and you'll know what I'm talking about. Don't email me because it takes hours to prepare these updates, and it's all here. Basically, the new DNP autoresponder capture link, it's doing amazing. Prospects galore, but out of next week, this becomes totally linked with Google AdWords out there. So, like I say, up to 5 million prospects, or up to 5 million prospects. I booked with Google up to 5 million opportunity seekers, where this thing is going to be promoted during the peak advertising season. So you can have this information in there. There's other information, like I say. Don't email me, don't call me on my cell phone. Oh, John, what's the latest? Here is the latest. Videos and the whole works. Plus this weekend, I am actually not going to be around, because if you visit the Facebook, okay, I'm not gonna go to this. All right, this is not gonna. I didn't pull up my Facebook site, but anyways, if you go to my Facebook site, John Kielec, maybe, I don't know, there's there a Facebook site in here somewhere. But anyways, you just punch in, not DailyNetPay, by the private Facebook, basically what it is, Facebook, just put John Kielec and you'll know. Because all the payouts, compounds, going to be done, are being done tonight. They should be all completed by very early Saturday morning. Then I'm gone, because it's Mary GK's birthday. And if you go to my Facebook, you'll see what I have in there. Because Sunday or Saturday and Sunday, we are gone. It's if you go to my Facebook, John Kielec Facebook, and you'll see why. Okay, it's her special birthday, so we're getting a special thing. I'm for her, a lady of my life, which is my friend and a wife and a business partner. Okay, everything under one package. And all the DNP Cash FX, pooled team build shares, plus Modern Money Team pooled team build shares update will be emailed by me personally by late Sunday night. Okay, I'm not going to be doing, usually I withdraw the money and stuff like that, by everything gets transferred to accounts. Modern Money Team, they do it like today, Friday. There's transfers. Then Cash FX is actually tomorrow by noon. We won't be around by tomorrow noon. So members who have those part of pool team builds have special emails, are personally contacted by me. I email the stats, because I cannot I cannot show the stats like I do in here with certain accounts. It's not allowed, especially by Cash FX. MMT does certain things that they can show accounts, and I'll be doing that down by the end of this month for the team build. But once again, we have hackers, and you probably noticed we have DNP this week. We had 4 hackers attacking us. If you get email from me, it says admin from DailyNetPay, and there's nothing in it, that's a hacker trying to get into our account, or maybe he's even trying to get through your account. Just ignore it, delete it. So, okay, so this is it, and like I say, have a wonderful, wonderful, safe, and blessed weekend, and until next week, God bless.